Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir and I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 2 in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This location connects you to the main MG road. This connects you to the Cyber City, the NH8 and the Golf Course Road. The plot size is 400 square yards. This is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started. This is the formal living space of the house. This can be considered as the living space. This side would be considered as the dining section of the property. A beautiful thick wallpaper. You've got 3 air conditioners by Daikin. You talk about the ceiling design. You've got a small ceiling design out here in the dining space and a huge design at the formal living space. ये पूरा का पूरा curved design दिया हुआ है, followed by a beautiful chandelier, and you've got 3 fans. This is all by Orient Electric. On the surface, when you see, this is all Italian marble. This side is ये पूरा का पूरा आपका engineered wood दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पर मैं आप सोफ़ा लगा के आराम से you can mesmerize your view in the evening hours. This is a slider door, a huge door size window. You can say this is like the plain wall, and this side is the front of the house. A beautiful greenery that you can see and you can cherish. पूरा का पूरा आपका balcony में आप देखेंगे अच्छा खासा space है. This is also shared with the first bedroom of the house. नीचे में आपका toughened glass दिया हुआ है, ऊपर में MS का, इसके अंदर metal का railing है पूरा का पूरा. Natural stone on the balcony. You've got the texture on the roof. A huge formal living space come dining. This is the passage area of the house. This will connect you to the other 3 bedrooms of the house, and the first bedroom goes this way. This is an open kitchen. This side is the first bedroom. Let's get into it. ये आपका फर्स्ट क्लास पहला बेडरूम है घर का. इटालियन है सरफेस पे. नॉर्मल वॉल्स दिया हुआ है. डाइकिन का एयर कंडीशनर. यहाँ पर आपका इंजीनियर्ड वुड है. जस्ट द डिज़ाइन. You've again got a balcony space in the front here. You just have to open it, drag it slowly, and then you can be out. This is the balcony space. Same balcony space has been shared with the formal living side as well. ये आपका wet area, drainage vessel, air conditioner के externals लगे हुए हैं. Surroundings would remain same. You've got a beautiful design on the ceiling. You've got a fan by Orient. This is your dresser's room where you'll get ready. ये आपका closet section हो गया इधर की तरफ. This is all operated with the help of a sensor. All Italian on the surface. चारों तरफ जिधर आप देखेंगे इस washroom में आपको पत्थर का काम है. सारा का सारा Italian marble लगा हुआ है. You've got a nice countertop synchronized with the vanity out here. All sanitary fittings are by Witra. This is a small cabinetry given here to keep your morning kits. A wall mount commode seat. Then you've got A.O. Smith ka geyser. This is your shower area, rain head. This is all by Witra. A normal glass door which is given here, as in it's a channel for the shower area. This is a partition so that water इस तरफ ना आए आपका नहाते हुए. यहाँ पर मैं आपके running shelves दे दिए हैं. टफन ग्लास लगा हुआ है. यहाँ पर अपनी इम्यूनिटीज़ आप बना सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से, यूटिलिटीज़ वगैरह और फॉल्स फ्रीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए. यहाँ पर आपका कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, लाइट्स वगैरह हैं. दिस इज़ द पैसेज. दिस पैसेज विल कनेक्ट यू टू द अदर 3 bedrooms of the house. This is the powder room. You see the powder room. This is compact in design. सारा wallpaper दिया हुआ all around. You've got the surface पे पत्थर है आपका. Italian flooring on all the sides. The borders बनाए हुए. Sanitary fittings are by Witra. Wall mount commode seat. You've got the vanity by Durawood. Beautiful. This looks like to be कि 5-star hotel में आप आ गए हो कहीं. ऊपर में आपका exhaust भी दिया हुआ है. ये पूरा का पूरा आप दिखाओ एक बारी कस्टमर्स को. ऐसे दिखाओ इधर से पूरा, उधर से. इधर में वुडन एम्पैनलमेंट दिया हुआ है, अच्छा डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. यहाँ से बच्चे शरारतें करके उधर की तरफ जा सकते हैं अगर यू गॉट स्मॉल किड्स. a good quality door in the entrance. This is a small place where you can worship early in the morning and in the evening hours. ये एक टेम्पल की तरह, एक मंदिर की तरह आप इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर एक चैनल दे सकते हैं आप. Let's get inside the second bedroom of the house. This is the second bedroom, which has an Italian on the surface, a wooden design given here for the console, a plain wall on the left, and again on the left side and in the front you've got Daikin air conditioner. You've got the ceiling design is very simple. This is the balcony space. This balcony space is in the front of the house. It's a huge property that we are shooting today. You've got Daikin air conditioner. ऐसे में आप प्लांट्स लगा सकते हैं. रेलिंग आपका स्टेनलेस स्टील का है. टफन ग्लास आगे में दिया हुआ है. Again, this is an aluminium door size window which is given here. So, Italian on the surface. Once again, to reiterate, this is your closet section, dressers room specifically that I can say. इतना सारा स्टोरेज है यहाँ पर to keep your clothes, your whatever stuff that you want to keep here. As for your convenience, you can customize it. Maybe this is your choice. This is where we enter inside the washroom. All Italian surface on this side. ये पूरा का पूरा Italian पत्थर लगाया हुआ है. Again, you've got a channel here, a door channel which will bifurcate the wet area with the dry area. This is wall mount commode seat. Sanitary fittings are by Vitra. A beautiful vanity, a nice glass, and this is the rain head out here. Ventilation के लिए आपका exhaust दिया हुआ है. These are the cabinets to keep your morning kits. यहाँ पर में भी आप कुछ रख सकते हैं. This is the third bedroom of the house. Again, huge, competent and compact. You've got Daikin air conditioner. You've got a diamond cut ceiling, Italian on the surface. This is your wardrobe section. Slider door at the back side so that you can actually use this for any other purpose. This is the balcony at the back side. आपके एक्सटर्नल्स लगाए हुए हैं एयर कंडीशनर के. You've got the wet area. This is your geyser. पूरा का पूरा balcony space एक बार दिखा लीजिए. This is commonly shared with the fourth bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Shower area. I mean the washroom space. This is the shower area on the right hand side. ये पूरा का पूरा ग्लास पार्टीशन के साथ है. मीको के टफ एंड ग्लासेस है. पूरा टाइलिंग वर्क करा हुआ है इधर में सरफेस के ऊपर. और यहाँ पर मैं वैनिटी देखेंगे विट्रा का है. सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स भी विट्रा का है. अ ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन इनसाइड द ग्लास इज एम्बॉस्ड. क्रॉम्पटन के आपके एग्जॉस्ट फैंस हैं. वॉल माउंट कमोड सीट. अ ब्यूटीफुल स्पेस इनसाइड द वॉशरूम दैट आई कैन से. दिस इज अगेन फॉर योर ड्रैपरी रॉड्स के लिए एक लकड़ी का पैनल दे दिया ऊपर में, वुडन पैनल. This is the fourth bedroom of the house. This is the master bedroom of the house. It's quite a huge. Again, this wooden flooring on the surface has a warranty of around 10 years. Ceiling पे अच्छा design है. इधर दो rectangular long designs दिए हुए हैं. This is just a design given here. Don't consider this as a wardrobe. On the left hand side you'll see a plain wall followed by a Daikin air conditioner. This side is your closet. A very good quality closet. Handle का डिज़ाइन भी देखेंगे तो बहुत sophisticated है. This is the washroom space, but before we cover up the washroom space, let me cover up the balcony. This is the fourth bedroom, the master bedroom's balcony at the back. A huge balcony. You've got the drainage vessel. The wet area lies there, and the surroundings of this MG road is like awesome. People die to buy a house in such vicinity. The surroundings are like beautiful. This is the washroom. This is the master bedroom's washroom. इधर में lights पूरी नहीं जल रही हैं लग रहा है अभी. Okay, you've got a nice glass, wall mount commode seat, a mounted vanity by Vitra, all Vitra fittings. This is a partition for the shower area. You've got the engineered wood on the roof, rain head on your ceiling. All tiling work done. This is all textured tile, Vitra ki fittings, a channel. Again, a partition for the water does not flow from the other side to keep it more wet and dry equally. This is again tiling work done, a small shaft, exhaust fan by Luminous. This is again a storage space. This is again a running storage space, and on the surface you will see it's an anti-skid tiles which are given here so that पैर ना आपका स्लिप हो यहाँ पर. आइए प्लीज़. सीलिंग पे कलर एक बारी दिखा दीजिए जाने से पहले. सीलिंग का कलर आपके जो शावर एरिया है उसका इंजीनियर्ड वुड टीक ब्राउन कलर से मैच हो रहा है. This was about the 400 square yard site. Before we get on to the final discussion to conclude, this is the kitchen area. This one is left to shoot. Okay, this is the kitchen area. Once we get inside the kitchen, this is the entrance. On the right hand side, you'll see an oven by CAF, OTG by CAF, hob chimney again by the same company CAF. You've got a dishwasher. This side, this is again by CAF. A beautiful natural stone on both the sides, which is stain free. This is like water sink आपका Kersel का. Sanitary fittings are by Witra. इसका आप nozzle इधर से उधर घुमा सकते हैं as per your convenience. You've got Daikin air conditioner. This is the utensils area where you're supposed to wash your utensils and you keep it dragged down there. This is a small cabinetry space given here to keep your stuff. A pocket sized window, a slider window which will help you for the ventilation so that you should not feel exhausted. This is exhaust fan by Standard Company. Again, these are the cabinets. This way you keep your cutlery stuff, आपके utensils वगैरह छोटे छोटे, your multi-grains, pepper, salt, maybe anything that you wanna keep. बहुत सारे यहाँ पर warranty cards हैं, if you can see. I'm impressed with the developer's work. Thank you so very much, sir, for giving us this honor to shoot this video. You again have an LED light here in the bottom underneath this. So this is very pleasant. Here you can keep your refrigerator. This surface is all Italian. So we're done with kitchen. The one thing which is left is the ceiling and the fan that you have to showcase. Mikey, show them. This was the slider that we have just shown you to enter inside the kitchen area. All wallpaper on the wall. Before we sign off, this is the most important aspect of anybody's residence. This is how you need to talk to someone who's visiting you, and you can see your cars parked down there. This is a biometrics mechanism by Yale. Unless and until you do not enter the code, you will not be qualified to get inside your house. This is how we protect you and give you the best equipments out here. So thank you so very much for watching us. This was Anupam Gambhir live from Stair Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you.